This YouTube video got 10 views, but it made me $5,278. And in today's video, I'll be showing you exactly how I did it so that you can use the same system to scale your consulting or hot ticket offer without having to go viral. See, a year ago, I was obsessed with going viral, probably like yourself. I spent hours creating content and get 0 clients. Then I realized it's not about how many people watch my videos, it's about who watches my videos. So I built a system that makes every view count, even if it's just 10. See, these 10 views weren't just cold views. They were warm views from people who already knew me, liked me, and more importantly, trusted me. And I didn't just rely on the YouTube algorithm. Relying on any algorithm is a terrible idea. And I just created this YouTube account less than 20 days ago. So I created this so I can show how effective this funnel actually is. So the YouTube algorithm doesn't even know who to serve my videos to yet. It's still in the testing phase. So what did I do? Well, I didn't spend thousands on cold ads or post thousands of pieces of short form content like most of you are probably doing right now. All I did was use the awareness engine. First, I posted entertainment content through Trial Reels. If you don't know, Trial Reels is essentially a tool on Instagram where you can post content and it doesn't get shown to your followers. And I posted entertainment content because no one goes onto Instagram to consume, how-to videos, informational videos. They save that for YouTube. They're on short form content because they want to be entertained. And if a prospect doesn't know you yet, they don't trust you or even like you. So to combat this, we need to make them feel an emotion. This could look like them laughing or them feeling motivated. For me, I posted POV videos making fun of the average course seller and guru. These videos got served to people who did not follow me, and they got served to my ICP only, and my ICP were the only people who actually understood the joke in this video. So, for example, this video right here got 4,000 views. It's not a lot of views at all, but I had a ton of verified users in my exact ICP liking this video, but I couldn't just rely on this. Again, you can't. I had to nurture them a little bit more. So in step 2, I clipped up one of my student interviews and I pinned it to my feed on Instagram. Now these prospects went from not knowing me to me making them feel a positive emotion to go into my profile and consuming the short student interview clip to eventually following me. Now they associate a good emotion to me, and more importantly, they know that I know what I'm doing and I have the results to back it up. Once they've gone through all of this, they either take 2 paths. They either go to the YouTube video, and that's linked in my bio, or they follow me. If they go to the YouTube video, that's perfect, right? They've now gone directly into my ecosystem without even knowing it. And obviously this is where all the money is made, right? But again, I can't just rely on them to do this. Now, some of them will just follow me, but I have a way to get them into my ecosystem, even if they just follow me. I send them this DM once they follow me. Hey, or yo name, I appreciate the follow. Do you just enjoy my content, or are you looking to scale your offer up to $100,000 per month? If they say, I just liked your content, I would like the message and leave it there, right? And the chances are they're gonna get nurtured through my content and then DM me back in the future. I don't wanna be pushy at all. This is super important because that's what everyone else does. Everyone else does cold DMs, they follow up like crazy, and it puts people off because they're like, all right, why do you need my money so much, right? If they say they're looking to scale their offer up to $100,000 per month though, I ask them permission to send over my system amplifier video. Essentially, this is my video, my VSL, right? So it acts as my VSL. It goes through what not to do if you want to scale up your offer. It goes through some of the results that I've gotten for my clients. It gives them actionable steps that they could take to reach $100,000 per month. And it paints my system as the best way for them to get to their desired goals. Now, I want to speak about a key point with the system amplifier video. You do not want to create this video to go viral. That's the last thing you want. This video should be for your niche only. The trial reels on Instagram are meant to go viral. These videos are not. And I'll give you another example. My account has a YouTube channel where she posts content on how to save on taxes for the niche that she serves. She only gets a couple hundred views with the occasional video that gets a few thousand views. But all those views are in her exact ICP. And her ICP isn't that big. But she's capturing a large percentage of her ICP with her videos. And I also want to make it clear, I did not help my account do this. She's been posting on YouTube for a while now. And see, most people get tens of thousands of views, even hundreds of thousands of views on YouTube, and can't get one single person to book on a call with them. And I used to be this person. I actually had a video, got 13,000 views on one of my old channels, but I didn't book in a single call. And it's because the video was so broad and wasn't speaking to my ICP. But now I can close people while getting less than 100 views. Doesn't make any sense, right? And yeah, I don't get the dopamine of going viral, but I do get the dopamine of signing a new client, which I think is more important. And I don't know about you, but I'd rather make millions of dollars than get millions of views. And again, your opinion can be different, but that's my opinion. And it doesn't end at that video. See, at this point, the prospect is now gone from not knowing who I was to now associating a good feeling with me, to seeing what I actually do, to then seeing that I get my clients amazing results, to then following me to reaffirm their thought, to then entering into my law informed ecosystem. It's all calculated. Each step of the funnel is all calculated. But at this point, we just have them inside of our ecosystem. Now we have to close them. Here's how I did this. Once they watch the System Amplifier video, I put CTAs to watch my Case Closer video. Essentially, in this video, I'm interviewing one of my clients who him and his partner went from $15,000 per month to $290,000 per month. I put the link everywhere on purpose. I want them to indulge in this video on their own, very naturally, right? I also put the booking link to booking a one-on-one call with me below the CTA in the description. That's the secondary option. So if someone watches my video and they decide, you know what, I want to work with this guy, I want to pay him the fee, they can do so. But the best part is I still send them the Case Closer video before our call. So they're still consuming all the necessary content. Now, if they did decide to watch the Case Closer video before booking a call, I placed a CTA to book in a call with me in the middle and end of the video, as well in the description of the video. Most people insert the CTA in the beginning, but that kind of defeats the whole purpose, because if that person does book in a call before watching the video, they're not actually consuming the most important piece of the funnel. So I make them watch at least 5 to 8 minutes before they even get their first CTA. And if they don't buy on that first CTA, I do have one at the very end, so it gives them 2 chances. And like I mentioned before, I took Romeo from $15K to $290,000 per month. I interviewed him and put up a whole video on my YouTube channel. The link for that is at the top of the description. Or if you do want to just work with me one-on-one, book in a one-on-one strategy call with me below, and I'll break down your bottlenecks and solve them for you for completely free. If you do want to book in a one-on-one call with me, go to the second link in the description and book in a call.